You see, the president of Nigeria, as I rightly said some few days ago, can come from any section of the country. It doesn't, you see, we make mistake always. You don't regionalize a president. President of country should be best among us, will be picked from anywhere. Best among us who we believe can do. I'm not one of those that who believes that the president must be a northerner, not be a southerner from south. No, I don't believe in that. I believe in a president that can deliver the goods to people of Nigeria. Where he comes from, this country belongs to all of us. It's immaterial. As it can, he might come from Ogoja. He might come from what is it? Badagry. He might come from Adamawa. He might come from Anambra. The best among us should be the one that should be encouraged to lead us. It is not yet time because we have a sitting president right now. But when the president is leaving, all of us as Nigerians, as leaders who have occupied political position one way or the other, then we'll begin to search for who will be able to wear this size 14. That, president of Nigeria is size 14, is not 12.
Okay, Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.